Hey crew, today's video will be oven baked catfish. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have 1 lemon. We have unsalted butter. We have salt, ground black pepper, Chef Paul Perdone seafood magic, and we have Mississippi catfish. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and click the bell to set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. And don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let's get into our oven baked catfish. So we're going to get into our oven baked catfish video. And I'll show y'all the catfish up close. And it's a nice sized catfish. So we're going to season our fish first. And y'all know the drill. I do not use a lot of salt. Now we're going to go in with some black pepper. Now I'm going to go in with the Chef Paul Perdone seafood magic. And I will add that I did dry my catfish off with a paper towel. That way it's not wet. And if you need to find the Chef Paul Perdone seafood magic, you can check your local grocery store, or you can find it in Walmart. So we gave our catfish a flip, and now I'm going to season the other side with the same seasoning. Okay, so we have both sides seasoned well with our salt, black pepper, Chef Paul Perdone seafood magic. A 5½ tablespoons of butter. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do. we're gonna go in with some lemon slices on top of our catfish. So now we have our lemon slices on top of our catfish. I'm gonna give y'all a famous close-up before I put it in the oven. Okay, crew, so I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up. So I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees and I will let y'all know the cook time once I take it out. Okay crew, so I just took it out of the oven and it's been in there for 47 minutes. I'm gonna give y'all a famous close-up, then I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Okay crew, so I did drain the liquid out the pan and I'm gonna put it back in the oven and let it cook uncovered. Okay crew, so our fish is out the oven and it baked for 1 hour in total. And y'all may be like, hey, that's a long time to bake fish. But hey, trust the process. It's not gonna be dried out. That's why you add the butter to keep it moist. So an hour at 350 degrees. I had covered it and I uncovered it for the last 15 minutes to bake. So I'm gonna allow this to cool off a little bit. Then we'll put it on the plate and we'll let Queen try it, so y'all stay tuned. Okay crew, so I'm about to try a piece of our oven baked fish. And also, Queen, she's gonna try a piece. And y'all see it just fall off. Just flakes off. When I told y'all I baked it for an hour, see, it's not dry. It's still moist on the inside. And that's what you want from your baked catfish. I'm about to try. Ooh. It's hot, but it's good.
You mean hot as in spicy or
no,
hot as in you heated?
Heat.
Oh. Y'all know I love fish.
Man, just put that whole piece in your greedy mouth. Playing with it.
You know my throat hurting.
Oh.
I forget something that important with your woman. Yeah, y'all, my throat been bothering me, so I've been eating stuff like this.
Yeah, hot. But you can taste that lemon and that seasoning.
It's really good, y'all. Nobody's gonna eat off of this but me and Jordan. But yeah, it's really good. All I need is me a piece of mayonnaise. I mean, some mayonnaise on top. If y'all don't eat mayonnaise and fish, yeah, way out there. But it's good. You dig it.
Inspire you, y'all.
He did that.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Cool it is.
Bye, y'all.